For sale today, I got a 1969 Camaro. It's an X22 car, so it's an SS396. So with the X22 has the trim code package, which allows it to have the RS. So it's a 1969 RS SS396 convertible, 4-speed, factory black with ivory interior. Those are its correct colors. 12-bolt rear, power front disc, power steering. It's powered by a non-original to the car, a 1970 396, 350 horsepower, so it's a CTW suffix, if I'm remembering that correctly. I just wrote it down. But the motor came out of a 70 Camaro, or a 70 Chevelle. I think it was a 70 Chevelle, which would make more sense. It is an excellent car all the way around. Excellent chrome, excellent glass, interior, undercarriage, paint, body, it's straight. It's a very, very pretty car. Very nice, like I said, all the way around. Leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, I very much so appreciate it. And walk around and show you more of the car, some of the flaws on the car. There are not too many, so sit back, relax, and here you go. Beautiful ivory interior with the black carpet. SS steering wheel. It shows 45,000 miles. I cannot say whether that is original or not. If I do find out looking through the paperwork, I will put a little note in here in the video. I'll let you guys know. There's the 4-speed with the gauges. Nice convertible top, very clean. Very nice interior all the way around. Beautiful ivory. Nice dash pad, newer carpet. I love the little grooves here. It will be for sale later today. eBay, nextgenclassiccars.com. Both links will be in the description. I'll pop the trunk actually, and I will show you how clean the trunk is. The trunk is excellent, properly detailed in its correct splatter paint. Again, chrome is excellent. Sounds great. Nice exhaust. Nothing too crazy, which is nice. I don't like a overpowered exhaust on a very original car. So here we go, trunk mat. There's the gorgeous trunk. There you go. Just come back to that later. Body's real straight. Real pretty. Just again going over the highlights of the car. 69 Camaro RS SS 396 X22 car, convertible, factory black, ivory interior, 4-speed. Actually, as I'm going over it, there are very few paint flaws. I actually didn't notice anything as I'm going over the car. Again, carpet's excellent, interior is excellent, runs and drives very well. I'm looking for a flaw to show you guys. Is that a flaw? No, that's fuzz. just want to say thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to pop the hood right now, show you the engine, and then I will have it fired up, take it around the block. You can listen to it run, see it drive. There you go. There you got it. The 69 RS SS396 convertible, 4-speed, factory black ivory interior. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. Thank you. There we go. I just popped the hood. 396, 1970 CTW 350 horsepower, 396 motor, dual master cylinder, power brakes with the front disc, and power steering. And I'm gonna go get my driver, fire it up. Underhood is gorgeous, nicely painted. The whole engine compartment is nicely detailed as well.